Now that our app is published, the next step is to configure the site. Here in the Sites section, you'll see we already have a published site available. We're going to add our newly created application to this site. Open the site configuration, locate the application dropdown, and select the app we just created. Once selected, click Save to update the site with the new application. Next, go to the Pages tab and click on Add New Page. A pop-up will appear where you can define the new page settings. Enter a name for the page. Define its order. Optionally choose an icon. Set the route. And select the app to link with this page. Once everything is filled out, click Save and Manage Permission. Here, you can assign roles to control who can access this page. Assign the appropriate roles based on your app's access requirements, then save your changes. Finally, head over to the Publish tab. Since the domain is already created, all you need to do is click Republish. This will push the latest updates to your live site, including the new page and application. And that's it. Your site is now fully configured and updated with your published application.